appointment of commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Sapeta mashuku atikubuda panguva ino tichisangana nawo atirikuona kuti mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino according to the constitution ouya achiappointa the new ZDF commander Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu ndivasubscribe olaika utomba bele kana according to this press statement ramuri kona tonatemba mliso arumudanyira achiti congratulations to the apolitical people's general on his promotion and the new appointment. We remain in safe hands as we were with the outgoing General Valerio Sibanda. Mr. Perfect served very well, and I'm confident that General Matutu will do equally well, leading the People's Army, disciplined and loyal. Tinorara hope dzakanaka, and investors love a quiet and professional army. Now, this statement His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and Commander-in-Chief of the Advanced Forces, Comrade Dr. Mnangagwa acting in terms of Section 2162 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe is read with the Section 7182 of the Defense Act, Chapter 11 core, promotes Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu to the rank of the General and appointed him Commander of the Defense Forces with effect from 10 November 2025. The appointment follows the retirement of outgoing Commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, General Valerio Sibanda. Ndomashwa rubuda panguva ine muri Zimbabwe panguva ino patirikuona kuti aiwa Valerio Sibanda sezvamuri kuziva zvinonzikanwa nyika yese kuti aiwa akumbosiya matomu ava kuretire. Panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika aiwa abva appointa Emmanuel Matatu kuti achiita the ZDF commander. Madevelopments ari kuitika panguva ino iri kuonekwa kunzi muZimbabwe mune maissues esuccession ari kutsviridza. Mbudzi mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pinda kume section medu muzamafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like chatonda bell icon.